In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video with Wave.video. We'll begin by starting a new project. After you sign up or log in, click Create Project. From here, you can pick a pre-made template designed for social posts, stories, and promos, or start from a blank canvas if you want full control. Templates give you a head start with timing, placeholders, and styles. Next, set your format and aspect ratio. Choose landscape for YouTube and widescreen displays, square for certain feeds, and vertical 9:16 for stories, reels, and TikTok. Picking the right size now keeps your text and key visuals safe within platform guidelines. Now add and arrange your media. Upload your own clips and images, or browse the stock library built into Wave.video. Drag items straight onto the timeline in the order you want. Use the plus buttons between scenes to insert new videos, images, or background scenes before or after any section. If a scene runs long or needs reordering, split it at the exact moment, duplicate sections you want to reuse, or delete anything you no longer need. With the structure in place, edit clips and scenes. Trim away unwanted starts or endings by dragging the clip handles, or make precise cuts with the cut tool. Adjust speed to create slow motion or fast-paced moments, and use flip or rotate to correct orientation. Add filters or color overlays to unify your look. To emphasize a detail, zoom in by double-clicking the canvas or dial in the zoom from the size section for precise control. Enhance your message with text and graphics. Switch to the text section and add text boxes for titles, captions, or callouts. Choose fonts and colors that match your brand. Try effects like neon for emphasis, and place elements exactly where you want them on the frame. If you need extra visual flair, layer in stickers, GIFs, and animated graphics from the library, keeping them on their own layers so they're easy to move in time. Bring your edit to life with audio. Add music, sound effects, or voiceovers from the library, or upload your own files. Balance the mix by lowering background music under narration and nudging levels so dialogue stays clear without clipping. When everything looks and sounds right, head to the Publish step. From here, download your video as an MP4 or share it directly to your social channels without leaving Wave.video. That's it, your edit is ready to go.